Hi, it's Natalie with WTI, and if you have an upcoming baby shower, there's no better way to thank your guests than by getting these adorable stickers from aPamr. I love the design of them. They're each cut out in a heart shape. Up close you can see how beautiful the colors are on the thank you sticker. It says, "Thank you for showering our baby with love." I recently bought little boxes that I plan to give out as thank you gifts, and I stuck this sticker on it and it just makes it look so much better. I like that I'm actually getting to thank my guest. I feel that not only could you put this on boxes, but if you wanted to put it on a clear plastic wrap, you could do that as well with some candy inside, and you can call it a day. It's a perfect gift for your guest. I got my thank you boxes ready earlier than my baby shower. They've been stuck on the boxes for about a week now, and none of the stickers have fallen off, so that just proves how durable they are. So if you're looking for a special way to thank your guests, definitely check out these stickers from aPamr. That's my point of view.